Dear student, welcome to my class of mathematics. Today we will learn regarding the indices and cube root. From the indices we will learn the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. To understand it, I have written its form a to the power m upon n. To understand the a to the power n upon n, I have considered some simple example. Understand its meaning. What is the meaning of 2 upon 3? 2 upon 1 multiplied by 1 upon 3, or it can be written as 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 1, or 2 upon 3 can be written as 2 upon 1 means 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3, or it can be written as 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 1 means 2, because 2 into 1 2, 3 into 1 3, 1 into 2 2, 3 into 1 3. Dear student, now I will consider a second example, that is 8 to the power 2 upon 3. It is just like 8 to the power m upon n. Now understand its meaning. Now 8 to the power 2 upon 3 can be written as 8 to the power 2 upon 3 can be written as 2 into 1 upon 3. Therefore, I am writing here 2 into 1 upon 3 in place of 2 upon 3, which can be equal to 8 to the power. Now which is second form? 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2. Both forms are same and it is equal to 2 upon 3. Now I have got a formula a to the power m bracket to the power n can be written as a to the power m multiplied by n. Now I am using this formula to convert it into this format. Therefore, it can be written as 8 to the power 2 upon 3 can be written as 8. Suppose this is your m, then I am writing here 2, and this is your n. Therefore, I am writing here 1 upon 3 will be equal to. Now your m and n have changed. Therefore, I am writing 8 to the power, which is m here, 1 upon 3, and which is n here, your n is equal to 2. Now see the format. That is, you can write it 8 to the power 2 upon 3 as 8 to the power 2 bracket to the power 1 upon 3. In the similar manner, you can just write 8 to the power 2 upon 3 as 8 to the power 1 upon 3 bracket to the power 2. Now, consider the third example. That is, find the values of 8 square to the power 1 upon 3 and 8 to the power 1 upon 3 bracket square. Among these, we will find the value of both. First, I will consider this quantity, that is the 8 square bracket to the power 1 upon 3. Now, I know that 8 square can be written as 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to how much? 64 to the power 1 upon 3. Here I have replaced this 8 square by 64. Again I know that this 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 4 cube. Therefore I am replacing this 64 by 4 cube. 4 cube bracket to the power 1 upon 3. Now I know that which is my formula. A to the power m to the power n will be equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. Therefore, I can write down this as, this is your m, this is your n. Therefore, 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 to the power 1 means 4. It means that 8 square bracket to the power 1 upon 3 equals to 4. I am denoting it by equation number 1. We will find the value of 8 to the power 1 upon 3 bracket square. Here, I have written this quantity. I know that 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2 means 8. That is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Therefore, I am replacing this 8 with 2 to the power 3. Therefore, I am writing here 2 to the power 3. Bracket to the power 1 upon 3. And the next bracket I am taking to the power 2. Now, I am applying this formula. That is a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. Therefore, it can be written as 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 to the power 2. 3 ones are 3. Therefore, here we have got the value 2 to the power 1. Therefore, I am writing here 2 to the power, how much? 2. 2 to the power 2 means 4. It means the value of this quantity is also equal to 4. I am denoting it by equation number 2. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we have 8 to the power 2 upon 3, which is equal to 8 square, bracket to the power 1 upon 3, which is equal to 8 to the power 1 upon 3, bracket square. Now, we have to express these terms in terms of statement. How will write it down? Start from here. 1 upon 3 means cube root. Which root? Cube root. C-U-B-E. Cube root of 2 means square. S-Q-U-A-I square of which number? 8. That is cube root of square of which number? 8. In the similar way, again start from here. 2 means square. 2 means square. Again you write down of 1 upon 3 means which root? Cube root. Cube root of which number? That is 8. Therefore, generally a to the power m upon n, that is this form, can be written as a to the power m to the power 1 upon n, which is equal to a to the power 1 upon n to the power m. Now we have to write this form in terms of statement. How can write it? Equal to 1 upon n means root. Start from here, that is the n root of, this is m power of which number? That is equal to a. In the similar manner, you can also write this. This is the m. Start from here. M power. This is 1 upon n means root of nth root of which number? That is equal to a. Now we will take the first example from practice sheet 3.2. Which is that example? 225 to the power 3 upon 2. This 3 upon 2 can be written as 3 into 1 upon 2 or 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3. It means that here 3 is the power, 1 upon 2 is the root. Therefore, when we are writing power of the root, what we have to write? Power of the root. Which is power here? 3. Which is power here? 3. Take here and you are taking the power of the root. Then write root here 1 upon 2. In the similar manner, root of the power. It means start from here. Which is your root? Your root is 1 upon 2. And which is your power? Your power is 3. Now, you can write it in the form of statement. Start from here. You can write it. 3 means cube of 1 upon 2 means square root of which number? 225. In the similar manner, 1 upon 2 means which root? Square root of 3 means cube of which number? 225. Now we will take the second example, that is 45 to the power 4 upon 5. This 4 upon 5 can be written 4 into 1 upon 5 or 1 upon 5 multiplied by 4. Now we want the power of the root. Which is power here? 4. And which is root? 1 upon 5. Therefore, I am writing here 45 to the power 1 upon 5 to the power 4. That is the power of the root of a number. In the similar manner, now interchange it. What you want? First write down 45. Then take a bracket. Now you want the root of the power. It means you start from your root. Which is your root? 1 upon 5. And which is your power? That is 4. Now you can easily write down here like this. Which power? It is a F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth power of fifth root of F-I-F-T-H. Fifth root of 45. In the similar manner, 1 upon 5 means which root? F-I-F-T-H. Fifth root of fourth power. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth power of 40. Now this is the third example. 81 to the power 6 upon 7. Now which is power here? Power is 6. Therefore you have to write the power of the root. Therefore here you should write 6. Which is root here? 1 upon 7. Write 1 upon 7 here. Which is your number? 81. Now root of the power. Which is your root? 1 upon 7. Which is your power? Your power is 6. Therefore, which is your number? That is equal to 81. Now starts from the power. This is the power of the root. Starts from here. Which power? This will be 6. X-I-X-T-S. 6 power of which root? 7. S-E-V-E-N-T-S. 7th root of which number? 81. Now root of the power means which root? That is equal to S-E-V-E-N-T-S. 7th root of S-I-X-T-S. 6th power of which number? That is equal to 80. In the fourth example, there is a 100 to the power 4 upon 10. Now always remember that 4 is a power, 1 upon 10 is a root. Therefore I can write it 4 upon 10 as 4 multiplied by 1 upon 10 or 1 upon 10 multiplied by 4. Now we have to write the power of the root. When we are writing the power of the root, then write down first 100 to the power. It means that 1 upon 10 to the power 4. This will be the power of the root of a number. Now we have to express it in terms of statement. Starts from here. Which power? It is the fourth power. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth power of which root? 10th root. T-E-N-T-H. 10th root of which number? That is 100. Now interchange these two numbers. You can write here like this: 100 to the power 4 to the power 1 upon 10. That is the root of the power of a number. Therefore you can write down here it is as, that is which root it is? 10th root. T-E-N-T-H. 10th root of which power? Fourth power. F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth power of which number? That is equal to 100. This is fifth example. In fifth example, 21 to the power 3 upon 7. It means that here 3 is a power and 1 upon 7 is a root. Therefore, you want the power of the root. It means that this is simple technique. Which is your power here? 3. Write down 3 here. Which is root here? 1 upon 7 here. Which is your number? That is 21. Simple way. Now you want the root. Now interchange it. Which is your root? 1 upon 7. Which is your power? your power is 3. Which is your number? Your number is 21. Now, in this way, you can simply write down the power of the root. And starts from here. It is which power? Third power. Therefore, write down here third, third power of which root? Seventh root. SEVENTH, seventh root of which number? 21. In the similar manner, which root? You can write down here seventh root. SEVENTH, seventh root of which power? Third or cube of third power of which number? 20. Now let us take the second example, that is write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. First one is square root of fifth power of 121. First take the number. Which is your number? That is 121. Square root means 1 upon 2 multiplied by which power? Square root of fifth power of 21. Then take which power? Fifth power. Multiply 5 into 1, 5 divided by 2. Then which answer you will get? 121 to the power 5 upon 2. That is the square root of fifth power of 121. This is the square root of fifth power of 121. Now there is second example. Cube of fourth root of 324. Which is your number? Write down here 324. Then cube. Cube means 3. Of means multiplication. Fourth root means 1 upon 4 will be equal to 3 into 1. 3 divided by 4. Then take this number and write here 3 upon 4. Which answer you have got? Cube of fourth root of 324 means 324 to the power 3 upon 4. Now we want fifth root of square of 264. First write down the number 264. Which root? Fifth root. Fifth root means 1 upon 5. Of means multiplication. Square. Square means 2. Multiply this number 2 into 1. 2 divided by 5. Write this number here 2 upon 5. You have got the answer. Then the fifth root of square of 264 is equal to 264 to the power 2 upon 5. You can just write these numbers inside the bracket. Now take the fourth example. Cube of cube root of 3. Which number you have got? 3. Keep it in bracket. Cube means 3. Of means multiplication. Cube root means 1 upon 3. Now multiply 3 into 1. 3 divided by 3. Write this number here. It is known as cube of cube root of 3 is equal to 3 bracket to the power 3 upon